Okay, so check this out right over here. We're going to be doing a review and test on the RoadHero 4-pack 28-inch cones that we're going to be doing a review and test on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we're going to be putting this to a test to. And in this review and test, we are going to open this up and show you guys more in depth about these traffic cones. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys more in depth about it. Okay, so here are the traffic cones, and it is a total of a 4-pack, and they are 28-inch. One thing I do want to let you guys know is that the material is really soft and really high quality. The material is made of an Oxford cloth material, and the bottom side of it is made of a plastic material that you can see on the bottom. So the bottom side is plastic. This is an Oxford cloth material, and one thing I love about this product is that it is a reflective right over here on the top and bottom, so at night it's going to let people know if you place those cones. So that is really cool about it, and you can see it's very easy to take it out as well too. So pretty much just like this. So if I were to, all you have to do is just press it on top and it pops just like that you can see here. So really nice quality and high quality cones that you can see here. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you guys these cones at night. Okay, so this is how the traffic cones look like when you place it on the driveway at night. You can see how bright they are. They are really reflective and bright. One thing I love about these traffic cones is that it will definitely alert and let the drivers know that you have cones placed. And you can use this in a lot of scenarios. For example, like, you know, if there's like a construction site, you can use this for that. That way drivers can know to not go to that certain pathway if there's some type of construction going on. But what we are going to do now is that I'm going to use this for my driving exam and like a parallel parking test for my friend, to show you guys how this could also be used in that type of situation as well too. Okay, so here's the finished results. You can see here during like a situation like passing your driving test, your driving exam, this would definitely come into play. They are reflective as well too. The orange cones are also very bright as well to see during the daytime, but also you can see at nighttime since they are also reflective. What I love about it is that they are super soft. In case if you were to test them to do your driving exam, if you were to bump the cones, they are super soft, so you don't have to worry about like getting your car scratched or getting your car hurt. It's not going to do anything like that, considering that they are super soft, that you can see here. You can see how super soft they are, so if you bump into it, nothing like that will happen. But you can see they are also reflective. They're super soft and really high quality. Very easy to close it as well too when it comes time to when you're not using it. But other than that, I would definitely recommend these cones because of how easy it is to use. And if you're looking for some cones to do for your driving test, or you're trying to block something like that, but for my situation, for like parallel parking or to do passive driving exam for my friend, for example, this would definitely come into play. So if you're looking for some cones, and these cones right up here are by far one of the best ones to get, and I would definitely recommend these cones.